training manager. Today, we'll be discovering the secret of Japanese skincare ritual with Mission Y and Eclat, Avon's first luxury skincare range from Japan. In this video, you will learn how to master the art of layering your skincare products to achieve the best results for your skin. Mission Y is formulated with fermented yeast extract, an active ingredient that stimulates skin cell renewal and moisture barrier function to improve elasticity for a smoother, firmer skin with a healthy glow. Mission Eclat is formulated with brown algae and chimpy to work on microRNAs to slow down the signs of aging. It also delivers excellent moisturizing effect for a healthier skin. For our demo today, I'll be using Mission Y. Let's start with the cleanser. So all you need is pea-size amount of the product, not too much because it has a rich silky texture to the foam. So make sure to apply generously water to create the rich foam. Once you've got it, apply to your whole face, massaging gently all over, and ensure to avoid your eye area. Of course, at home, you will make sure to wash your neck as well. So once you're done, rinse with warm water. The smooth foam will remove impurities gently but effectively. It provides rich moisture and supports growth of newer, younger skin. Next is the lotion. This is Mission Japan's best-selling product, which contains the highest amount of active ingredients. So to use this product, all you will need is a cotton pad and apply around a third of your facial cotton. All you need to do is just pat gently on your skin to ensure the product absorbs fully. And the amazing thing about this product is that it absorbs really fast and deeply penetrates into your skin layers to deliver and retain moisture to improve elasticity and skin brightness. Don't forget to also pat on your neck. This lotion is really important because it helps to prepare your skin to effectively absorb every single treatment item in your regimen. So remember, don't skip this step. Now, let's apply the milk. This milky lotion acts as a deep moisturizing agent. It's basically a moisture prep that strengthens your skin's protective barrier and treats your skin. There are two ways of applying this. You can use your fingertips or a facial cotton pad. So in this demo, I'll show you how to apply on your fingertip. All you need is a few drops that's sufficient for you. Is gently spread on your fingers and apply gently on your skin. Just spread it out first and then you massage gently from your jawline upwards to your cheek, up to your forehead, not forgetting your neck. The last step in your skincare ritual would be your moisturizer. This nourishing cream is intensively hydrating. It penetrates into deeper skin layers so that your skin is fully nourished, moisturized, and firmer. To apply, all you need is a small pea-size amount. Use a spatula and apply on your fingers. Spread it first on your fingers and then spread on your face and your neck, evenly massaging it upwards. Remember, pamper your skin as you massage. Enjoy the experience. And your neck. And if you are using the Mission Eclat range and your routine with this eye and lip cream, this eye and lip cream comes with a special spatula that has a scoop and a rounded tip. So all you need to do is just pick a little bit of your eye cream up and apply on your under eye area. Okay, so what you need to do right now is just to gently massage, to spread the cream first No pressure, just to spread the cream. Once you're done, use the rounded tip to push a little bit and do massage on your upper eyelid, just under your brow and above your brow. So once you've completed your eye, then comes your lips. So pick up with a spatula, spread it on your fingertips and apply gently on your lip area. And all you need to do, using your ring finger, just massage gently. And you're done. Now you've learned the right Japanese skincare ritual for a healthier and firmer skin.